Hi, I'm Corey. Welcome to the K-pop Switch. We have 3 stories tonight. Or good morning, or good afternoon, good evening. I don't know at what time you're watching this video, but hello, welcome. Today we're going to be talking about Blackpink and the Panda controversy. Updated. Chaeyoung's dating controversy, scandal, whatever you want to call it. Updated. And Ningning and Lisa, Blackpink's Lisa and aespa's Ningning have something brewing. I'll say it like that. That's gonna be our first story. So fans are comparing aespa's Ningning's AI avatar to Blackpink's Lisa. SM Entertainment has got an upcoming girl group, aespa, which has attracted attention globally for their avatar concept. Each member of aespa has their own avatar or virtual representation of them, if you will. When Ningning's avatar was revealed, many fans couldn't help but express that the avatar reminded them of another powerful girl group member. When you have a look at Winter's avatar, Winter is another member of aespa. Winter is the name of Winter's avatar. She looks exactly like the real-life Winter, from her hair to her clothes to her shoes. However, Ningning's avatar looks nothing like the real-life group member, Ningning. In the teasers, Ningning is seen with black hair, but Ningning, which is Ningning's avatar self, has blonde hair along with a fringe and purple ends. Also, their outfits are very different. Fans are saying that Ningning's avatar is a completely different idol, or at least inspired by this other idol. Blackpink's Lisa is the idol that fans are talking about. Everything about Ningning's avatar resembles Lisa, except for the ombre hair color. Ningning's outfit very closely resembles the outfit Blackpink's Lisa wore at SBS Gayo Taejun in 2018. However, the alternative is that Ningning could debut with this hair and this outfit, as Blackpink's Lisa's outfit was worn a very long time ago. What do you guys think about this? If you ask me, then I'd say, yeah, it looks similar. It looks similar, no doubt. For me, it looks similar. But I think that we still have to be a little bit patient because Ningning could actually debut like this. Just a little bit. We just gotta wait a little bit. Alright, our next story is going to be Chaeyoung's dating rumors. I'm just gonna say it first. I was not going to report this topic because, in all honesty, I don't really care if idols date or who they date or what they do in their personal lives. Unless it's illegal, then that's a little different. But since this relationship has become controversial, I have added it in this video. Plus, for those that don't really use social media, I'm pretty sure they would want to know. So it's just become a discussion rather than, oh, this idol is dating this person. So it's more of a discussion topic. Let us begin. K-Netizen's put together pieces of information that Twice's Chaeyoung is dating a controversial tattoo artist. You'll see what I mean by controversial, but just know that's not my words also. Just stating what K-Netizen's saying. So rumors began spiraling on the internet about 2 people that went shopping together at a grocery store, convenience store, supermarket, a store where you can get food. K-Netizens were quick to figure out that the woman in the photo provided by a netizen, was Chaeyoung, as she was previously seen wearing the same hat in the photo on Radio Star, which is an MBC show. The fluffy hat that Chaeyoung wore on Radio Star was one that she claimed was her favorite. A netizen claimed that they had seen Chaeyoung before, out in the open with a man. While K-Netizens have no issue with Chaeyoung dating, as members Jihyo and Momo had announced their relationships previously, and I also read today that Jihyo and Kang Daniel actually broke up recently, which is sad, but back to Chaeyoung. These K-Netizens only have a problem with who she is dating, not that she is dating, if that makes sense. So many K-netizens are uncomfortable with the tattoo artist's Instagram account. His posts are not seen positively at all. Some netizens have claimed that those who sent him DMs have been threatened and cursed at by him. According to some netizens, the tattoo artist is threatening to share a video of a drunk Chaeyoung. If fans and netizens continue to harass him, he will leak the video. Now, since this has all become public, netizens are speculating why Chaeyoung would date this man in the first place. Comments will be up on the screen, as always. Now, JYP Entertainment has actually come out with a very, very short statement about Chaeyoung's relationship, and they said the following: "We do not have an official stance regarding Chaeyoung's dating rumors." So they could be true, they might not be true, we don't know. It's really up to you to decide now. So netizens have been checking, or were checking, the tattoo artist's Instagram, who was revealed to be Chimwasa on Instagram, but the Instagram has now been deleted. So what do you guys think of this? I think that if what the netizens are saying is true, I can see how this man could ruin Chaeyoung's career. But the man has removed his account from Instagram, and he was probably just frustrated with all the negative attention he was getting. Yeah, let me know what you think. Let me know what you think. And our last story, Blackpink called out by Chinese netizens because they got nothing else to do with their time. Recently, YG Entertainment uploaded a preview of an episode from Blackpink's reality show 24/365, Blackpink. The Blackpink members were seen taking a trip to meet some very cute and adorable baby pandas. Everland is an amusement park which resides in the beautiful city of Seoul in South Korea. During the trip to Everland, the members of Blackpink were able to hold and take care of the baby pandas under the supervision of zookeepers. Now, Chinese netizens were very quick to criticize Blackpink's actions of touching the baby pandas, while some even going above and beyond to call it illegal. Many K-netizens and international fans felt the preview was a very cute interaction with the girls and the pandas. But Chinese netizens call the actions careless and reckless on Blackpink's part. Chinese netizens' reasons for the outrage was because some of the Chinese netizens said that the girls were wearing makeup and that should not be allowed near pandas, and that some of the girls own dogs. They are dog owners, and they call this irresponsible as a virus called the canine distemper virus could have transferred to the baby pandas and caused them to die. Also, according to laws around pandas, any panda in a country other than China are technically they belong to China. So there are laws and rules and regulations that these countries need to abide by. Pandas originate from China, so anyone who handles pandas outside of China are under strict Chinese regulations. I'll put some of the Chinese netizens' comments up on the screen so you can read them at the same time. Now, Chinese netizens are asking, or more like demanding, an official apology from Blackpink along with an apology from the Everland amusement park and the South Korean government. In response to this controversy, YG Entertainment released a statement saying that they will postpone the episode. But now a professor has come out questioning why the sudden outrage doesn't also fall on China's own celebrities who have touched pandas without protective gear. Professor So Kyung-dok, sorry if I'm saying that wrong, has come forward with a statement asking why these Chinese netizens are acting as if their celebrities, politicians, artists are more superior and able to get away with this panda situation, but Blackpink is not. Here's what he's saying. Currently, the controversies in China is because of their excessive patriotism. BTS was attacked first and now it's Blackpink. He continues. Blackpink is getting attacked by Chinese netizens after touching these pandas with their bare hands. But before Blackpink, there were famous singers, actors, and even politicians who have touched pandas for photos before. Then the professor gives an example, the basketball player Yao Ming, to give context. For example, this photo, A Chinese basketball player Yao Ming used his bare hands to touch the baby panda and even get photos during the event in 2012. He continues, China must be sensitive right now since the Korean culture is spreading globally. I hope China can learn to understand and also respect other cultures. Okay, now you guys gotta tell me what you think of this controversy, because I think it must be very, very exhausting to be popular. Do these Chinese netizens now know that the amusement park has professionals? They would have taken all the precautions before Blackpink touched the pandas, using disinfectant, antibacterial stuff, sanitation methods, before the girls of Blackpink touched these pandas. Like I said before, these netizens have nothing better to do other than criticize at every opportunity they get. You guys gotta tell me what you think about this, because I really don't know. I don't know. There's a lot of China versus Korea right now, and yeah, let me know what you think. Let me know. I'm Corey. This is the K-pop Switch, where you get all your K-pop related news. Please remember to like and subscribe to stay updated with your favorite K-pop idols. And that was Important Issues in K-pop. I'll see you in the next video. Bye.